Hi, just checking in with a bit of progress on our gauge cluster that we're developing for Megasquirt 3. Our development environment at the moment is we're using Code Warrior, a PE micro multi-link interface, go through the BDM port of the processor, which allows us to program and debug our software on this board. Anyone who's looking to do this, please remember that the BDM port is backwards. It should be accessed. The header should be accessed from the other side of the board. It gave me a bit of headache to find that out to start off with, but once we got there, it was obvious. Okay, so progress so far. We've managed to identify and operate all the lights on the board. We've managed to access the needles and control them as we'd see fit. Next stage really is to get the LCD gauge cluster working. This will be somewhat of a challenge because it's a non-standard interface. It doesn't use the onboard LCD controller. It's actually multiplexed with the lights, which could make things quite interesting. Anyone who's looking at using this as a reference, all the lights are controlled on port B and T, but to save pins are multiplexed, and they used bit 4 and 5 on port A to multiplex these lights. The motors are controlled. The stepper motors are controlled using the motor controller in the Freescale chip, and the motor channel 0 is connected to the fuel gauge, motor channel 1 is connected to the temperature gauge, motor channel 2, as you can see moving here, is connected to the revs, and motor channel 4 is the speedo. I'm not entirely sure at this moment why they've skipped the channel, probably just to do with board layout and making things easy. Okay, well hopefully we'll have the gauge cluster, the LCD display working soon, and we'll have some more progress for you.